Hello, you're looking at my hot water system. It's a 315 litre tank. It's located in the corner of my garage and it runs on off-peak power. So with that tank there, it's close to the end of its life. So I thought I'd like to actually, rather than just getting another one in the same position, I'd remove that one or get that one removed and put a new one outside the house, which is closer to the bathroom and the kitchen where we use most of our hot water. So here's the location of the new hot water system. It's along this wall. It's on the other side of the house. It's directly under the bathroom, and I've already had an electrician come out and he's put an isolator there on the wall. He's run a new circuit from the switchboard from the meter box, ready for the new heat pump hot water system to be installed. Okay, so the plumber has been and removed the old tank. He's capped off the hot and cold water pipes, and he's also capped off the electrical wires there and pushed them back into the wall, which has left them safe for the moment. The electrician will be back soon to completely remove those old off-peak electrical wires. Okay, so the plumber has finished installing the new hot water system. I've opted for a heat pump system, which has an air conditioning unit sitting on the top to heat the water. All the pipes are nice and neat, covered in that black insulation. And then down the bottom there's a concrete slab to make sure the tank sits nice and level, nice and straight. There's a blue tap there on the cold line, so you can turn that off if you need to do any maintenance on the tank or install a new tank. There's that yellow piece is the tempering valve that mixes a little bit of cold with the hot water as it comes through the pipes, so you don't get scalded by the hot water. Up the top there's the pressure release valve for the tank. It needs to be tested every 6 months. And there's your overflow for the condensation coming off the air conditioning unit. And that's the inlet side of the air conditioning unit, which the air sort of comes in at. And round to the other side then, there's the outlet. That's where the cold air comes out of the top of the heat pump. There's the electrical cord going around to the isolator. Okay, and there's a view of the tank from the other side. And one more thing to look at is those little drainage pipes. The white one is the condensation from the air conditioning unit, and the copper one is it comes out of the overflow from the tank. Okay, I'll take you under the house now and show you how the plumber has extended the existing pipework out to the new hot water system. Okay, over here by the wall, then that skinny pipe is the existing hot water pipe, and the thicker one is the existing cold water copper pipe. And just around here to the left, on the other side of that wall, is where the new heat pump hot water system has been installed. Now back over to the existing pipework, and you can see where the plumber has put a new T-piece in the existing hot water pipe. And then he's run the new copper pipe there up under the floor, covered it in the black insulation, and out through the air vent to outside. Okay, and there's the cold water line there with the new T-piece the plumber's put in, and the cold water line right next to the hot on the other side of that joist there, the wooden joist, and then that pipe runs along there parallel with the hot water, and it dips down and goes through a hole in the wall that the plumber has drilled. And there's the other side of the electrical wires going into the isolator, and then on the other side of that wall there is where the new heat pump hot water system is located. Yeah, so all in all, I was very happy with the job. I thought it was done very neatly. It was all done really quite quickly. And these heat pump hot water tanks are much cheaper to run than the off-peak, so I'm saving money there as well. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.